Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a file share. A file share is a fully managed service and can be mounted on cloud or on-premises operating system like Windows, Linux, and macOS. The prerequisite is to create a storage account. I recommend you to watch our previous video how to create a storage account. Now let's get started. Simply search for the storage account from the top search bar. Here our storage account is storage ACC demo 12. We'll be selecting this. And from this menu we have to select file shares. As we can see, it's an empty share, so we'll be creating a share. Here we have to provide two parameters, name and quota. The naming convention allows only lowercase, numbers and hyphen combination, and it must be between 3 to 63 characters long. So we'll be giving a name of demo share. Next is quota. So the quota can be considered as the provision size of the share. So example 10 GB, and simply clicking create. We can see that our share is created, so I'll be opening the share. If you want to mount our drive onto our various operating system platforms like Windows, Linux and Mac, we have to select connect. Here we can see for Windows it is mounted as a drive letter. We can choose any drive letter, and we have to copy this script and run it into the PowerShell. Just one thing, for Windows port 445 needs to be enabled. For Linux it would be added as a mount point. We can change the name of mount point, and same goes for macOS. I recommend you try this one. This is all from this lab. I hope you all like this video. Thank you.